everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to blur out a moving object in your videos to either protect privacy or just for creative effects, today, we're going to show you how to do that effortlessly using AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Let's dive in. First, open up AVCLabs Video Blur AI. The interface is super user-friendly, so you'll find your way around in no time. Once you're in, click the Upload Video button and select the video file you want to work with. For this example, I'm using a clip where we have a person reporting and few people picking boards, and we need to blur their faces to maintain privacy. Now the video is uploaded, just click on Face button and customize the selections of which face you would like to blur. You can adjust the type, size, strength of the blur area to your liking. For this example, I'll go with a strong blur to make sure the subject is completely unrecognizable. The AI will track the face as it moves across the frame, and the blur will follow it perfectly. If everything looks good, we're ready to move on to the next step. If not, feel free to adjust the settings again. Once you are happy with the result, click on the Export button and choose the format and resolution you want. And that's how to blur moving faces and objects in your videos using AVCLabs Video Blur AI. It's quick, easy, and super effective for both privacy and creative effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more editing tips and tricks. See you next time.